Replacing channel plus model #21 with Drayton LP522. So to hidden screw. Another screw. So this is out, and you can see the number here. So if you look carefully, this is neutral, this is earth, and this is live. Live is looped to 2, and from 2 is 5. Yeah, so in simple way, this 5 is just connected to live, and then comes LO 1 and then 2. On manual, this one is hot water on, which is LO, and that blue is central heating on. So I'm going to do the wiring. This is S-plan, and you can see the wiring diagram on Drayton. Neutral live, hot water on, central heating on. So the yellow cable will be on 3 and the blue cable will be on a 4. So the wiring diagram has been followed and it has been completed. And now time to test.